Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'm gonna show you one way you can transfer these wiggly lines from previous live noding into bones or objects. Okay, so currently, I found it's kind of interesting how when it's transferred to bones, it seems to be flipping around. So I still haven't figured out the best way to do this. But anyway, from the previous live noding, we know we start with a line, and then we use noise and vector lerp to wiggle the lines. And so in this case, for the bones, I like to resample these wiggly lines here, resembling it only like 10 bones. And then here I'm using object ID armature and post bones and the matrix of the bones, transform matrix of the bones with matrix normal of each vector point. Maybe this is where I did something wrong. But if I'm using cylinder, we know that's actually kind of works. So with a cylinder, it's much simpler. We simply instance a cylinder on each one of the vector. So we have this kind of interesting wiggly looking cylinder. This one is also getting the matrix value from here. Matrix normal. So you can basically make it pointing up. So this is actually what I want with the bone. Okay, perhaps because this is a cylinder, we don't see it's kind of flipping around much, but it is kind of flipping. But anyway, for now, I think it's kind of okay. If I'm using Susan head, we might see, yeah, the head is actually kind of flipping around as well. There must be a way to fix this. Maybe if you know how, please let me know. So each and every point, we know the tangent or the rotations of each one of them, and I want to transfer it into the post bones. So this is where we can bake the object animations for augmented reality. This one is if we want to bake the animation into a single armature, and I kind of need this to work. Maybe you know how. So anyway, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.